Hello guys, I'm going to be showing you this trick that I learned. So first you're going to need milk. I'm just going to back you guys up so you can see what I'm doing. So you just pour the milk in. Just like that. Then you get some food coloring. Put a couple drops. Some yellow. Some blue. And put some red. Put some in the middle too. So then you're going to want some dish soap and put it on your finger. If you don't want your fingers to be stained, then get a Q-tip. Well, a lot of people call it a Q-tip because that's the most popular name brand, but which is a Q-tip, if you don't know what a Q-tip is. So just fill it all up. Like that. Then watch what happens. Isn't that amazing? Keep on touching it in different spots.